Hey guys, this is GADGETMIX and today I'm back with another watch review video. This is unboxing and review of the RADO True Thinline reference number R27957109. I bought this yesterday from a dealer and it's currently out of stock on most places. So if you can get hands on one, it's a gorgeous piece and I really recommend buying it. This is a part of RADO's True Thinline collection. The case size is 39mm and it is extremely thin, as you can guess by its name. The material that is used on the case is ceramic, and RADO is a specialist in ceramic materials. It's a round case and the glass that you see here is made of sapphire crystal, so it's pretty scratch proof. I bought the white one because it looks really unique. It stands out from the rest of the watches that I currently own. I own an Omega Seamaster. I own two Seikos, a solar one that I recently reviewed. The strap is made of rubber, and I really like the fact that it's made of rubber. They also offer one which come with ceramic chases. If you like, I really wanted a watch which has a rubber strap, because all the watches that I have till now, they all have steel straps or metal straps. So I wanted something with the rubber strap. So this is a unisex watch, so both men and women can use it. In the box you get the watch. You also get a paper cloth, and you also get a manual. The movement, surprisingly, I thought it's going to be automatic. I should have done my research. And the movement is Quartz. So, and there is no second hand on the face of it, which is weird. There's no date, no date complication. It's a pretty simple watch, and clearly making this watch complicated was not one of the RADO's main motives here. They wanted to make something that looks super simple and elegant, and looks just like that. It looks super simple and elegant. It comes with 2 years warranty, 30 meters water resistance. So I would not say you should go diving with this watch. Maybe you can go into a swimming pool just fine, but other than that, I won't recommend using this watch for diving purposes. It's not a diver's watch by any means. It's a trendy rubber timepiece made for both sexes, but if you have a thick wrist like me, you will barely be able to fit it. You will see that very soon. It's made of white rubber. The case has a thickness of just 5mm and a diameter of 39mm. It's fantastic. It looks so good. It has a fixed white ceramic bezel. The white dial has skeleton rose gold hands and indices. They look fantastic, super good. It's never seen on a watch before, and I've owned so many watches. This simplistic case rests on white rubber strap, which clasps through a wide buckle, which you can see here. It belongs to the True Thinline series, and it features a solid case back, and you can see on my hand it looks super good. The rose gold crown on the side also gives a very elegant look. This piece is sportier and sober. It has a quartz movement, which I've already told you, and you will have to replace the cell after a year or so, because RADO are not very popular for making efficient watches, battery efficient watches. So you, like my other RADO watches that use quartz movement, you will have to replace the cell at least once a year. It is treated with sapphire crystal to strengthen the face, and it also provides immunity from reflection and scratches. You can see that it's like one of those expensive RADOs, and it is an expensive watch. I mean, you can buy it for around 2,000 USD. It's not a cheap watch by any means, not a too expensive watch, but it's not a cheap watch by any means. And I really recommend, if you're going for something like Tag Heuer or an expensive Seiko, I mean, and if you want something super simple, not in your face watch, you should get the white one, especially this one. RADO is associated with some of the most diverse personalities, and the brand ambassadors for the RADO range from tennis players to TV television stars, if you don't know. But I think they can do better in the you know, this department, the PR department. The Seiko does a great job in PR department, and that's my daily driver. But look how thin this watch is compared to that Seiko. Anyway, I really hope you like this video. This watch is made in Switzerland. I think you will love it. There you find the super thick manual. I don't know why you would need such a heavy, thick instruction manual for something that is so simple to use. It just tells the time. It doesn't even have seconds. It's a quartz movement watch. I don't know why, who would read this big of a manual. Anyway, hope you like this video. This was a review of Rado R27957109. That was the model number of this watch. Rubber strap watch with a ceramic bezel. I think you will love it. Hope you like this video, and share, subscribe for more gadget news, reviews, and watch reviews like this one. Bye bye.